in a place called Fargo.
Mr. Lundegaard? I'm a police officer from up Brainerd investigating some malfeasance.
Anything can happen.
How's Gene? Who's Gene?
But at some point during the winter, he must have suffered some kind of a complete mental breakdown. He ran amok and killed his family with an axe.
Look. It's magnificent. It's God.
So instead of Thanksgiving with his family, he's spending 3 days with the turkey.
About the Border Patrol.
That's Mohawk land. There's no border.
I'm not taking them across the border. It's a crime.
Stop!
What they see, she suspects.
What made him run?
You're not allowed up here.
The tracks go in a straight line towards the edge. No child in the world would play like that.
Groundhog time. 1,000 people freezing their butts off waiting to worship a rat. The presumption must now be that Paul Sheldon is dead.
You dirty bird. How could you?
Misery Chastain cannot be dead.
Misery Spirit is still alive.
I don't want her, Smith! I want her!
Tell me again.
Adapt or die.
Think on your feet.
Even when I'm sleeping.
This chaos. 1,000 people in an iron box. 18 years I've hated the train. 18 years I've waited for this moment.
Arendelle.
It's completely frozen.
Cold, 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 cold.
A real howler in July, yeah?